Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Ryan. This is Auto Detour, and it is finally car show season. So we are going to take the Viper to its first car show down in Bloomington. So it's Supercar Saturday, and I guess this happens the second Saturday of every month, I believe. Don't quote me on that, but be sure to follow me on Instagram. I post every time I'm going to a car show so that you guys could possibly go there. I'd love to meet you guys if you're in the area and you're headed to a car show. Anyway, we're gonna hop in the Viper here. I just got it all cleaned up. Probably the cleanest I've ever had it since I bought it because the weather was so nice yesterday. But I did make the mistake of washing it in the direct sunlight. It was probably 65, 70 degrees yesterday. Washed it in the direct sunlight, and now of course I spent a little time trying to get water spots out of it because, well, I couldn't wash it fast enough and get the water off of it before it dried on the car. But it's still looking amazing. This black paint on this Viper is so shiny, but I don't know if you can see that, but you can still see some water spots. I tried to polish some of them out, but anyway, it still looks amazing. We're gonna hop in the Viper. I think you guys are gonna see some familiar faces at the car show. We're gonna go meet up with Eric from RacingRamFam here in just a second. We're gonna cruise to the show together. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's hop in the Viper and get on our way. Absolutely gorgeous weather. We're cruising down here to Eric's place, and they finally got the street sweepers out and got these roads cleaned up, so I'm super excited about that. Finally don't have to worry so much about all the gravel and dirt, and the car can stay a little bit clean. So oh man, going all out.
The other ones don't have any tread left from the last time we hung out.
There you go.
They're dirty. They've been sitting in my attic for about a year and a half since when I blew the engine up. So
Sweet.
well, I haven't been drag racing since. So
You guys got to check this out real quick. Eric just got back from Cletus and Cars, and I think got a little inspired. Check out his wastegate dump. Had to take off his hood for it. Yeah. Cool. I don't think we've officially met.
Yeah, Savan.
Savan.
And then Ryan, right?
Yeah, Ryan.
there you guys
Yeah.
are.
No, we
Man,
just
not like-
cruised with each other
Oh,
on
yeah.
the Paul Walker cruise.
Yeah, that was like.
We got lost together, actually.
IS2 Clean. Check them out on Instagram.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So IS2 clean.
Yep.
Set the, well, super clean IS over there across the street. Rolling in with us this morning. Anyway, so we're hoping to see some flames out of that guy. Anyway, we're kind of late. We're going to get rolling, so we'll see you guys when we get there. Alright guys, we finally made it to the car show. Eric's here, Alex is here. Go follow both of them on their YouTube channels and Instagram. I'll put them on the screen here. Eric's been getting a lot of attention with that no hood, with that turbo sticking out.
So like Ryan said, we're at the car show. Alex is here, Ryan is here. Yeah, I don't have a hood, guys, so you guys saw that last night. I put that hood dump on because I didn't have time to drill the hole in the fender. But we're out here, and a lot of people are checking the truck out, liking it. There's like 5 or 6 Vipers here, Ryan Vipers here. So there's a lot of cool guys here.
Yeah, I got to, we'll walk over there in a second, but I got this parked next to a super sweet blue and white GTS. But we're just going to do some walking around here, so it'll be a little montage heavy, I'm sure, but we're just going to be hanging out, and I'll talk to you guys in a little bit.
What he said.
New car goals here. Right, so that's going to do it for today's car show. Be sure to go subscribe to...
We got some good leaving footage.
Be sure to go subscribe to RacingRamFam and IS2 Clean on Instagram. I'll put both of them on the screen here. We're going to roll out. Time to go do some family Easter stuff.
Yeah.
But thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. We'll talk to you guys next time.
All right, guys.